Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Our Groceries Shopping List app is and how it's positioned. Our Groceries Shopping List is a simple grocery list organizer developed by Our Groceries Incorporated that lets users create and manage shared shopping lists across phones, tablets, web browsers, and voice assistants, according to its official App Store descriptions. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. The app's core documented function is to create and sync grocery lists so that changes you make on one device appear on all connected devices almost instantly. Our Groceries may be useful for users who want to share shopping lists with family or household members so everyone sees updates in real time. Verified features include the ability to organize list items by category or aisle to make shopping trips more efficient. You can add items by typing, taking a photo, or scanning a barcode, helping ensure the right products are on your list. The official descriptions show that you can also add ingredients for recipes into your list with a single tap, based on documented features. Our Groceries may be useful for anyone who wants a straightforward shared shopping list that syncs across devices and helps organize grocery trips. For users interested in simple shared list management with cross-device sync, this could be an option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.